Hey guys, in this tutorial video we're going to break down for you how you can prevent downloads in your Google Drive account. So let us get started. Alright, so as you can see we're inside my account on Google Drive, and let's assume I don't want this file here in PNG format to be downloaded by my contacts who might have access to that file through a shareable link. So all you need to do, guys, is right click on the file you would like to prevent download from, and after that select share from the drop down menu and press or click on share again here to the right, or use the shortcut Ctrl Alt A on your keyboard. That is going to open up that window for you. So guys, as previously mentioned, anyone with a shareable link just like that here will be given the opportunity to download the file. So to prevent that from happening, guys, simply click on that gear icon here in the top right corner to access that file settings, and here make sure that your lower option, viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy, is turned off, so that your contacts will not have the opportunity to download the file from your Google Drive, not even through the shareable link you share with them, with that one here. So confirm by clicking on done here, and these changes are going to be applied and saved instantaneously, guys. And that's basically it. That's how I do it. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll catch you later.